I'm going to show you how to make this trendy halter neck backless dress in less than a minute. If you're interested in everything sewing tutorials, do well to hit on the follow button, and for full and detailed tutorials, subscribe to my YouTube channel. So in this particular tutorial, I'm just going to show you guys how to cut, okay? If you want to see the full tutorial, it's out on my YouTube channel. So the first thing I'm going to do here is to fold my fabric in a bias form and pin it down. We'll be using the 180 formula for this, and the 180 formula is 3.14. So you're going to get your bust measurement, okay, and you're going to add 4 extra inches to that. Whatever you get, you're going to divide it by 3.14. After doing mine, I had about 14.01 thereabouts. That is approximately 14 inches. From the tip of my fabric, I'm going to mark 14 inches and connect it together like this. Now this line here you just marked is going to serve as your chest line. Divide your actual bust measurement by 4 and mark it here on the chest line. Now you're going to get your chest line measurement. Mine is 8.2 inches. I'm going to place the 8.2 inches on my chest line there. From that point, I'm going to mark down the length of my dress. So I'll be using 32 inches. I'm going to mark this across and connect it together. After getting the length of my dress, I'm going to cut this out like this. Next is to get the neckline, and for the neckline, you're going to go up from the chest line by about 4 inches. From this point, you're going to connect it into what you have there on the chest line. But if you want yours to go down a bit, you can come down from this point by 1 inch. I'll just be doing ½ inch, so I'll be on the safer side. Then I'm going to connect these together. From that point there, you're just going to blend this into the side of your dress, just exactly like I'm doing here. Then proceed to cut this out. That is it for the front. Now this has 2 layers. I'm going to use this now and cut another layer for the front. The only difference is the second one is going to be about 2 to 3 inches longer than this one here. Also, I'm going to be marking my waistline measurement, okay, which will serve as a guide for cutting the back. So to get the waistline, also place your chest line measurement there on the chest line and mark down your waistline measurement. Mine is 15 inches and connect it together. So I've gone ahead to cut out the second piece for the front, and you can see here that the second one is obviously 2 to 3 inches longer than the first one. Now I'm going to use this here to cut out the back piece. I'm also going to fold my fabric in a bias form. Then I'm going to place the front on it like this, pin it down, and I'm going to cut it out first at the length. Cut it out at the side.